I just received a new package from Merit Beauty. They sent me their new tinted mineral sunscreen, so let's go ahead and try it out. Even though I love makeup, I don't usually apply foundation every day. I only apply foundation during special occasions or when I'm filming, but on an everyday basis, I definitely do apply a tinted sunscreen. I just love them. I love that sheer finish. I tend to really focus on skincare more so than makeup. I love that Merit Beauty just came out with a tinted sunscreen. I do enjoy their products. I love them for a day-to-day basis. It is quick, easy type of makeup, no makeup type of days. This is the Uniform Tinted Mineral Sunscreen. It is broad SPF 45 and it does come in various different shades that match the minimalist foundation that they currently have in their product lineup. My recent tinted sunscreen favorites are the Elastin as well as the Color Science Flex. I love these two. The Elastin is more on the sheer end and the Color Science Flex has more coverage. I just absolutely love both of these and I'm almost out of the Color Science. So hopefully the new Merit one will be something that I love. This one is in shade 22 and this is a mineral sunscreen, so it is zinc oxide based. This sunscreen contains 50 mils of product at $38 and I think that that is a great price. I also really love the packaging. It's so sleek, it's very chic, and it's perfect for travel. I love that you can see when you're almost out of product. It comes in a very nice pump and the shade range is actually pretty good. I love that it matches the foundation. So if you do currently have or use the Merit foundation, just according to the shade that you have online, they will have the perfect match for you. Now I am in shade Sand in the foundation, so technically according to the Merit website, I should be a shade 20. I ended up choosing shade 22 just because I felt this one had more of a bronzed-like finish. So let's go ahead and zoom you guys in and try all of these products out. I'm going to start off with the skin tint, and you can use this in conjunction with their foundation as well. Let's just go ahead and take a few pumps. As expected, this is just a tad bit runny, but I think the shade is going to be perfect for me. So I'm just going to start off by applying this using my fingers. And I love tinted sunscreens because they are so forgiving when it comes to shade. Merit describes the sunscreen as blurring, velvety, smooth, and it definitely is all of the above. Oh, this goes on very beautifully. So this does not have a lot of coverage, but you would expect that from a tinted sunscreen, but it still does look very beautiful. I can see that it definitely is blurring. It gives a really nice glow to the skin, and actually it does plump up the skin somewhat. This is the side without, and this is the side with. So let's go ahead and apply some sunscreen on the other side. I am going to take 2 more pumps. Because as you know with sunscreen, you do have to apply it liberally for it to really work as a sunscreen, or otherwise it really defeats the purpose. Now for this side, I am going to apply it with a brush just to see how it applies with a brush. With a brush, I do feel like this has more coverage than when applied with my finger. You can see there's more of a glow as well. I really do love the finish of this tinted sunscreen. It's really beautiful and I am loving the shade. I am certainly glad I went with shade 22 as opposed to 20. Now I do want to apply 1 more pump, and I'm going to apply this with a brush on the other side just because I do prefer the finish when applied with a brush. So that's the sunscreen in shade 22, and I think it is very blurring. It is really glowy, really perfect for the summer season. It is not drying at all, so for those of you that have dry skin, I think this will be perfect for you. And if you do have oily skin, I don't think this is a product that will necessarily break out your skin, but I just love the glow that it's giving to my skin. It looks really pretty. So I do want to apply some concealer underneath my eye, but I am going to just use the minimalist stick just to apply a little bit of coverage underneath my eye. So there's a sunscreen with the minimalistic underneath my eyes, and I think they work very well together. Very glowy skin, so if you don't like a lot of glow, then this might not be for you, but I am personally really loving it. I wonder if throughout the day the glow will kind of subside, but let's go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup. So Merit did send me some more of their new products. I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows, and this one is by Merit Beauty. This one I already had in my collection. I love this eyebrow tint. I think it is my all-time favorite, and I've tried so many different eyebrow tints. This one is in shade a light brown, and I just love the hold that it gives to my eyebrows. A lot of eyebrow gels just really make your eyebrow hairs look so stiff, and I don't like that look, but I still love that brushed out type of clean look, and this one is one of my favorites for sure. So if you haven't tried Merit's eyebrow tint, then I highly suggest you do so. Look at that. I already have pretty thick natural eyebrows, but this takes them to another level. It just polishes them without them looking fake at all. And that's what I love about Merit Beauty, is their products are very natural, and definitely love this product. This is one of my favorite products from them. Next, let's apply some eyeshadow, and I do have this Solo Shadow. This one is in shade Studio, and this is the lightest out of their collection, and I have tried these before and love them. Once you apply these, they do not budge, and the shade is beautiful. It is the perfect everyday type of shade. Using my Mera eyeshadow brush, I just like to pick up this product, just load it up on the brush, and then just apply it all over my lid. Oh, this is a really pretty shade. As you can see, it is perfect for every day. You can even use just your finger with this product. You can just apply it in the product itself and then just apply it all over your eye. Again, just a one and done type of product, so easy to use. Next we have the Bronze Balm, and this is Merit's bronzer. This is cream base, and it's so easy to apply. I just apply this where I normally bronze up my skin. And then just using my foundation brush, I'm just going to go ahead and go in and bronze up my skin. This just melts into the skin, and it looks fairly natural. All of Merit's makeup products are very natural. I am going to apply some mascara, so I am using the Dior mascara. I don't have the Merit one in my collection, so we're just going to go ahead and apply this Dior. I have been trying this one out, and I have been loving it. So there's a look with mascara. Next, let's go ahead and apply some blush. So this one is the Blush Balm in shade Archival, and this is a beautiful shade. It's just a very nice nude pink, and I love nude pink shades. I love how natural they look. Merit blushes are amazing. If you haven't tried them, I highly suggest you do so. They're so easy to apply. As you can see, it blends in so effortlessly, and it looks so pretty. I am really loving this look. Look how fresh it looks. Next up we have lip products, and Merit did send me their new lip liner. I have been wanting to try these. This one is in shade Mayfair. Now the only thing with these is that this is not a long wearing type of lip liner. The shade is really beautiful though, but as you can see, this comes right off. So not a bad thing. So if you are looking for a lip liner that's not necessarily long lasting, just something to define your lips, then this is perfect for you. But let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, this is a gorgeous shade. I do love how creamy this is, but I don't really like that it's not as long wearing. Now the signature lip, this one is in shade Baby, and I love nude pinks. These are my absolute favorite type of shades. This reminds me of Chanel's Mademoiselle, which is my all-time favorite lipstick, and the shade is very much similar. So let's just go ahead and apply just a little bit of this right in the middle. Ooh, this is also very creamy. Beautiful shade. So there is the look with the lipstick. I'm in love with this lip combo. The baby shade is perfect. I absolutely love these kind of shades. Now I want to apply a little bit of gloss. So I do have one of the shade slicks. This one is in Twin Set, and this will go perfectly with the Mayfair lip liner. You could apply just a lip liner and just apply this on top, but I thought I would apply a little bit of a lipstick today. But let's go ahead and apply some gloss over that. Oh yeah, that looks so good. That is the finished look. Very simple, perfect for every day, nice and glowy. And I'm actually really loving this tinted sunscreen. It still looks amazing on my skin. You can barely even feel or see any kind of product on my skin. It just looks very natural and very fresh. That is the finished look today using all Merit products. What are your thoughts? Have you tried the Uniform Tinted Sunscreen? If you have, leave me a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. I have high hopes for this. I do still need to try it out some more just to see how it applies throughout the day and if it does break out my skin. But if it doesn't, then I think this is going to be a winner because I really love that glow that it gives. And I've had it on now for about 20-30 minutes and my skin looks very glowy, very fresh. I love how blurred my skin looks. This is a beautiful product. I really hope that it wears well throughout the day, but I will continue to let you guys know. And that is it for my review today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you were interested in any of these products, I hope this video made it easier for you. Links for all of the products that I applied today will be down below in the description box. So if you are interested in any of the products, they will be right down there for you. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, be sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you are interested in any more of my videos, I will leave a couple more right here for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.